Hello everyone, my name is Carol and welcome aboard to Knitting on the Hook. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to thread the yarn tension unit of a knitting machine. So let's get to it. To thread the yarn tension unit, insert the yarn through the eyelet of the yarn guide. Place it between the discs and underneath the lubricating wax. Wrap it around the front guide eyelet and make a little loop. Bring down one of the take-up spring and place the eyelet of the take-up spring through the loop to thread it. If you enjoyed this tutorial, let me know by clicking on a thumbs up. And if you would like to help me grow my channel and see more of these tutorials, click on the subscribe button. Thank you for watching Knitting on the Hook. Bye for now.